Food stamps are a great way to help people who are down in their luck get the essentials like bread or milk, but not luxury BMW SUVs. A man in Florida decided to give buying this 60 grand BMW a shot with his food stamp benefits EBT card, and that just didn't work. Unfortunately, the barter system is out, although I'll admit life would be so much more interesting if it hadn't. So after being rejected from his plan, the man allegedly came back the next night and just stole it and drove off. The dealership called the police, and for anyone out there, it's not a good thing when the sheriff gets that call and immediately, without any other details, is like, I think I know who did this. That's what the sheriff of Martin County told the South Florida Sun-Sentinel. Eventually, the subject, Nicholas Jackson, was arrested after the BMW ran out of gas 3 or 4 days later. He's charged with grand theft auto, and authorities say that he's confessed to taking the car and the keys to 60 other vehicles, all of which have been returned. He's probably looking at some time in jail, but when he gets out, he should consider moving, at least to another town where the police won't immediately think he committed every crime. I'm Patrick Jones for Buzz 60. Now you know, pass it on.